Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show how to make a bootable pen drive. Hello viewers, as I said, I'll show how to make a bootable USB device. To make a bootable USB device, you need 3 items. First one, the bootable making software. Another one is ISO image which you want to make bootable. Another is the bootable device which is USB device. This is the pen drive. I'll show how to process it. Let's move on. This is the software which will help you to make bootable. Open it. Yes. Here first of all, the device name and storage size. This is the USB device, and you have to find out, or you have to point that ISO image. This is the Windows 10 Professional 64-bit ISO image. I have to select this one to make it bootable. This is the file browser option. Click here and select it from the desktop menu. This is the desktop, and this file is here. Select and open. Now it's ready to make bootable. Just press the start button. It's giving you a notification that your all data will be erased from this bootable device. So if you confirm about your data, then press OK. And it's starting, and it will take a few minutes to write your data on your pen drive. So you have to wait here for a few minutes only. Be patient. Here, copying all the data to your pen drive. It's near about 4 GB and above. No, it's near about 4 GB. So it will take time to write your pen drive. So you have to wait. And now my pen drive is ready. It's bootable, already finished the copying job. Just press the close button here. Now you can check out your pen drive, which is data written or not. It's already data fill up. So now this is the time to check your pen drive is bootable or not. So you have to go to BIOS setting and start up a Windows installation procedure to check up your pen drive is bootable or not. Though this pen drive already bootable, I am moving it to installation procedure for confirmation. I restart my PC and pressing the escape button to enter BIOS. Have few options, which is F9 is for bootable device option. I'm pressing F9. Now this is my USB device, and I have selected press any key to boot from pen drive. It's taken boot from pen drive already. It means that my pen drive is bootable, and it's final that my pen drive is bootable. Thank you very much.